Welcome and thank you for joining me. I'm Jerry Oginski. Oh, I almost cut my head off. I'm Jerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. If you've been the victim of an accident or medical malpractice case, you need to know these 5 questions in order to help you decide whether the attorney that you're speaking to is the right one for you. First, you need to ask, do you handle cases just like mine? Second, you need to ask how many cases you have tried just like mine. Third, you need to ask whether the person who's going to deal with your case on a daily basis is the same one that you're going to be meeting with when you first come into the office. Many times, and this leads me to number 4, whether you are in a small firm or whether you're in a big firm. And why is that important for you to know as a potential client? It's important because the person that you're going to be meeting with in a bigger firm probably is not the same one who's going to be trying your case a few years from then. So it's important to understand that your case may be handled by paralegals, by junior associates, by junior partners before it ever gets to the senior trial attorney. So if you call up for a question, you need to know, are you going to be the one answering the phone who gives me the information that I need to know? Number 5, you need to ask whether the law firm provides you with information before you ever walk in the door. Do you have books that's going to help educate me about how lawsuits work? Do you have free video tips on your website? Do you have free reports? Do you have something that's going to help me understand how your law firm works and how the lawsuit process works before I ever come into your office? And if they don't have that information, ask why not. So those are the 5 questions you should be asking any lawyer you go to before you ever walk into their door. So why do I give you that information? Because if you have been the victim of an accident or a malpractice matter and you have legal questions, then I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me because I can answer your legal questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. And that's it for today's video tip. I want to thank you for joining me. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a great day.